Good afternoon. Uh, Thank you for your time. Thank you for joining us on this video, on this live presentation on the markets, and for us to see what is happening currently in the global crypto markets. So, we'll be looking at our markets using the most known crypto assets to explain what's going on or to give an insight of what's happening currently in the market. Many of us who are aware or who are abreast with what is playing out in the market currently, you know very well that the market has been doing a lot of funny things, has been acting weird, where it's much expected. It has been long expected, which we know very well that we are currently on the bearish run. We're on the bearish run, meaning we're expecting the market to go down. All digital assets, even the capital market in essence of like the forex, the stock market, and other fiscal exchanges or that all other financial bodies that has to do with transactions have been experiencing a nosedive in the market. So currently, we'll be looking how this plays out and how it's really affecting the digital market, like the cryptocurrency. And we're going to look at the forex too. We're going to look at the forex FX market to see what is playing out. Let's see in comparison between the crypto and the forex market. Well, let's see these two markets. Let's see what's playing out within the cryptocurrency market and the forex market, so that we can have a clear understanding of what's going on in the market. So many who are here to understand how this market plays out, please just sit back as I unveil to us what is going on currently in the market. All right. This is my 15 minutes chart. I'm going to take it down to other time frame, other hours and time. So I take it to 1 day. Let's see what's playing out in the 1 day chart. On the 1 day chart, we have a more detailed and all right, this is what it looks like. I have actually done a lot of analysis before now on the 1 day chart. So I'm going to reduce out, I'm going to take out some bogus chart diagram so that we can have clarity of what I want us to see. Okay, you see what have been playing out in the market. If you look at the market from a holistic perspective, you see that the market has been like, let me take out the diagrams, the drawings. Okay, the drawings are out now. You see, the market has been moving from the bottom to the top where it is now. So if you look at what has been happening from the market, in the market, you see a gradual upward incline. It has been going gradually upward up to where we are right now. At this point, where this my cursor is, at $17,000, 26, sorry, $67,000, $67,000, you discover that the market never exceeded there again. The market started dropping from this point. Ever since it got to this point, 12th of November 2021, we discovered that this market started dropping gradually, gradually up to where we have it here. We have it at this point now. At this point, yeah. Thank you. So you discover that this market at this location, it's consolidating. It's consolidating. So when a market is consolidating, it means that it is ranging along a path, is going sideways. That the market is not either going up or going down in the general view. Just like what we have here, you see this market is going upward and this was going downward gradually. But when you come to this spot where we have the market price action, you see this sideways movement, the side movement. You see it here. You see it. Okay, if I open it on a smaller time frame, you see it will be more clearer. Okay, so let's see it together. So you see it now. All right, this is it. It's going sideways. The market is going sideways. And that tells us that the market is ranging. When you have a ranging market, that means there is high tendency that the market is about to change its course. Market is about to change its course. That means we are expecting the market to either go up or go down. So these are the two things we are looking at in this market. So trust that there will always be an outbreak when the market finishes or exceeds its consolidation. So that is what we know extremely well, that there will always be a market outbreak, either upward or downwards. For in this market, we are expecting an upward trend. We are expecting the market to break upwards and give us another new run. A very short run though, and we're expecting that to happen short in a very short while, right? So let's see what's playing out in the market globally, in the whole sphere of crypto in general. Let's take it to 1 month. So that let's see if from 1 month chart we can have a good picture of what we're expecting. So many persons are beginning to get so worried about what's playing out in the global crypto market, and let's see what have actually played out over the years since we started this journey thus far. See, from this point where we started this chart, we had price at $2,843. That's what the price was. All right. So this market has actually moved up gradually. The only place it came a bit closer low was sometimes in December 2018 when it came down to 3,170.8 dollars. All right. So when we look at that, it went a bit up. It got to this point, $13,908.59, and it came down again. It came down in sometimes in March 2020 to 3,757,20 cents. All right. So from that December, we saw a major rally, and a major upward movement from that December. It started moving upwards, upwards, upward. It broke this high, then it started going upward. It created another high at this point, right? It created another high. It got to this price. Let's see this price. In April, 1st of April 2021, it got to $63,266.67. And it came down, it dropped in June, 1st of June, and it came down to 30,576.44. So it now went up again a little further upward. It came to it came to 67,000. What about 60? It came to $68,867.91. So, and we are currently within the range where it came to during the month of July, sorry, July. So if you look at this, what's playing out, the market is only retesting what it did initially. So let's see what's going to play out. We are seeing that this plays a very strong hold. This is a very strong support. This price is a very strong support. At this price, let's put it there, at 29,484.75 is a very strong support. That is where the current price is now. It's a very strong support. So we are expecting now that the market is going to hold on for a while before there will be a momentum that have to propel it back. So let's see how this market is expected to do a major retracement. Let's see how it's going to do. So from this point where we have this point, this lowest low, where the market began to move high, we take our point. Let's take our point to this major high, right? So those who understand fib retracement, you quite agree with me that this is 61% 61% retracement on Fibonacci retracement. All right. This is 51% mark on fib retracement. All right. So that is exactly what it is, 61% mark. That is where the price is now. But in another way, the price of this market could equally come back and do 100% retracement. All right, let's see. 100% retracement will come to about this point, coming to touch this point, coming to touch this point where this market got to its all-time high, 17,298.94 dollars. So that is where we are expecting the market to do its major retracement. If peradventure this 61,000, 61% retracement on fib retracement does not hold this market. So, friends, this is a very critical analysis I'm showing us here for us to have a clear understanding why most times we need to get it right. If this point we are seeing now, this point you're seeing on my screen, this point does not hold this market, we are expecting this market to drop further to $17,000 thereabouts. It's a very major concern. Many who have been holding their assets, saying that from this point the market is going to go upwards. If anything that happens that the market closes below this point, what is happening in the market, expect a major bearish run in the market for the next month, even up to September, and that is going to be a very big for those who do not understand how when to up out on the market, it's going to be a very big loss for so many persons. So let's go back to what's playing out in the world of forex, in the forex market. So let's see some major pairs, Euro USD. Let's see what's playing out in the Euro USD. Let's change it to forex. Let's see what's playing out in the Euro USD. Okay, all right, okay, then. So we're going to see for Euro USD, we're seeing it from this is a 1 month chart. You see that from what's going on, the Euro USD has been going on a downward trend. For some months now, the Euro USD is weak. The Euro is weak. The dollar is strong. That's what it's telling us. The Euro is weaker than the USD. So if we're going to see what's playing out on a day chart, we see on the day chart, we discover that many who really understand what's playing out in the market, we discover that the effect of the crisis in Europe is really affecting the global economy. It's affecting the global economy. So that's why you and I need to pay much attention to this market. So this is what is playing out. You see how the market has dropped massively from this point and it consolidated. Then it did as if it wants to go back again, a little pull up impulse. There's correction, a little impulse again. There's another correction. So these are what it's happening. And if you look at this point is like a holding point, is major support. Let's change it to 4 hours. Let's say in 4 hours. No, let's take it to 1 day. 1 day will be better. Okay, that's fine. So if you see this point now, we have this point that we have we have a major support along this axis, and we're expecting we're expecting the market to hold along this path. And trust with this happening in this market, you quite understand that the market is really not a good one at the moment for the euro economy. So we're expecting this market to go a little bit uh, in the favor of USD for some time, and trust that we are going to see some major activities in the market that was going to support the USD economy. So, friends, from what I've just shown us, it's a very good indication that what is playing out in the market, it's really affecting the global system, the global economy, that every one of us need to pay attention and begin to get abreast with all of those things. So I want to really appreciate you for your time that you spent with me to have seen what's playing out in the market, and for us to just have time to go through all of these things and to know how these things really help us. Thank you for your time, and do well to like our videos. If you've not done that, do well to uh, subscribe to our channel so you to have more updates, so that you get to know more of what we are doing, so that we keep you in tune with what is playing out in the market, so that we keep on winning as we are hoping to do. Thank you for all. Thank you. And just be safe and be blessed. Thank you very much.